by all of you. Welcome to my channel. Today I will guide everyone using software that helps us automatically. Unlimited use of Facebook accounts. Go automatic messaging for potential customer profiles. First, we will scan out the files. Potential customers are on Facebook. Everybody. The software on other side will support Let Us Do Marketing automatically with multiple accounts on Facebook. And to get the prospect data file, then we'll first scan out the potential customer data file. This is the data scanner on the other side. And to scan out potential customers, then we'll have a lot of features. For example, scanning group member, scan article, scan comment, and so on. I have about 200 data here. Scan post comment, then I will export the Excel X file. This is the client file. Customer data that I scanned out of. Comment on a promotional post. People have lost money running ads. Well, I can scan out that client file easily. And we're going to get this UID. Let's go to the customer. I'll copy these UIDs. And when we have the data file, and then we're going to go into the management software. There is no limit to our account. Here everyone can see I have more than 200 Facebook accounts, and in order to text, we're going to go to the message function. I will choose the accounts to send messages to. I will choose 17 accounts, is active to demo. Next, I will set up some basic settings. And a very important part is that we're going to have to choose what we're going to text. It's about these contents. We'll be able to automatically enter. Here I will put these in the content section, the manager content. And here I will add this category of texting. And I will add message content here. Everyone has content. I went to sell. The content. This is the content that we have. Post reach customers advertising. That's our product. I'm going to get this content. Paste it here. The software will support. We rotate the content, as we can see down here. Rotate any number date to the different forms of messaging content. I'll rotate the part here. And we can also add more pictures and videos. I'll add an image here. It's that we already have a content. And we go back to the text. Here we will reselect the content. We're going to get the contents of this message. Next, we will choose the one's profile for us to message. Here we will have SMS by ID. Text a friend or text with that page ID. We will message directly to the ID that we scanned. Here we will go back to get this ID, copy this, and paste it here. Here we have 200 people, and here's every account I'll text. Demo 3 people only. After texting, I will remove the ID out, so you don't get duplicated messaged. And we're going to have a really cool part. It's that we can be automatic add friends before sending them a message. And we can be interactive. On the walls of people's profile, go to the profiles of these customers and comment, but I'm just going to interact. The interaction is drop that random icon. Make friends with people before you send that message. Okay, the set is done. Now I'm going to start. The software will automatically works for us. The software will automatically go add friend to text automatically with a file. Potential customers we've scanned out. Let's take a look.